What's up? What's up? Good morning, y'all. Let's hop right to it with three stocks to trade today. It is Monday, May 22nd. Look at a couple setups, y'all. So one, PFE inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour. This thing is already pretty down bad, pretty extended to the downside. So we should be able to see some pullback soon. We did get a pretty big move up on Friday that ultimately just got shot right back down. So that I'm a little, just off of that. But when we come down to the lower time frame, we can see that although we did push up and pull back down, we actually ended up forming an inverse head and shoulders that we can look to trade once we can break above 36.89. All right, as soon as we get to 36.90, we can look at trading this inverse head and shoulders higher up to the upside. With that, we're going to be targeting 37.61. So that's PFE. Again, with all these, preferably 5-minute close above the level for more safety. 15-minute close above would be even safer, but you can always take the break as well. Right? Just manage your risk. Shopify 1 hour. We got a morning star in the demand zone right here formed by this move down. Also came down and bounced off 50% retracement of this big move up. If we go to a higher time frame, you can see that a little clearer from that earnings trade. So basically, we just had an earnings move, huge move up, and now we've pulled back halfway of the move, which is a spot for us to potentially bounce. So taking Spotify, looking at calls above 60.32, maybe we could be a little more patient and take 60.40. That's all up to you. All right, we got a lot of room to move back up to that last level of 61.56. And we could trim out around 61 even. And then last but not least, let's pop on over to Bank of America. Bank of America, 1 hour, we got a double bottom here that we're bouncing off of. Clear targets up there at 28.65. All right, so we also have inside candles right here. We drop down smaller. We can see that we did start forming this little consolidation. And so what we just look at is the break out of that consolidation to the upside. Of course, we could break down. So if we break down below, that would be a low of 28. So let's just go 27.90 or 27.99. We break down to the downside, we can come down to this open level of 27.74 and then start looking at closing gap at 27.36. So those are three stocks. Some of those we could trade both ways. Y'all make some money today. Like, comment, share, subscribe if this was helpful. Peace out.